Hi, I'm Shannon Norris with the Taste of Home Test Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make our best ever vanilla ice cream. This recipe was written by Peggy Woodward, our senior food editor. She designed this recipe to give you the most intense pure vanilla flavor and a luxurious creamy mouthfeel. We're using a whole vanilla bean for this recipe in order to get the most intense pure vanilla flavor possible. You want to scrape the seeds out, let it infuse in the milk, and then when you chill the custard overnight, it just intensifies that pure vanilla flavor. When shopping for a vanilla bean, you want it to still be plump and soft and pliable. You don't want it to be dry or brittle because that means that the oils have dried up and you're not going to get as much flavor. Along with the classic vanilla, you could tailor this recipe any number of ways. To make strawberry ice cream, crush 2 cups of sliced strawberries with 1/4 cup of sugar. Stir that into the custard as it cools, then proceed with the rest of the recipe as directed. To make cookies and cream, crush 1 cup of Oreos, then layer it in your freezer container with the churned vanilla ice cream. For chocolate ice cream, melt 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips and let them cool slightly. Then, temper it into the egg yolks and add your hot milk mixture and proceed with the rest of the recipe as directed. You want to cook this mixture until it reaches about 180 degrees. This way you know your eggs are cooked and food safe. It should coat the back of a spoon, and when you run your finger through it, hold a line. That way you know it's thickened. With this recipe, we use a 2-step chilling process. The first is to transfer your hot custard into a bowl over an ice bath. This stops the cooking instantly so your custard doesn't overcook and your eggs don't scramble. Next, we're going to take the custard to the refrigerator to chill overnight. This gives you the opportunity to let that vanilla bean infuse into the custard longer so you get a more intense flavor. But it also allows time for your egg yolks and dairy proteins to emulsify and thicken overnight, giving you a richer, creamier custard. You can enjoy this recipe as soon as you've churned it, and it's going to be like soft serve. If you're like me, you're going to want to transfer it to freezer containers and freeze it at least overnight. That way it'll be firm enough to scoop so you can use it for sundaes and cones. When you're ready to serve your frozen ice cream, pull it out about 20 minutes ahead of time to allow it to soften so you're able to scoop it more easily. There are countless ways that you can enjoy this recipe. You can serve it with some fresh sliced summer berries. My favorite is to drizzle it with hot fudge and some sprinkles. But on a hot summer day, there is nothing like a classic vanilla cone with our best ever vanilla ice cream.